we are doing the 7-box half case of Totally Certified. So this is 2014 Mixer Break. And I believe it is, what, number 17? This is, yes, break number 17. Alright, Topps Prime. Having deja vu now. Alright, we got 10 packs. Alright, so 2014 Topps Prime Hobby. 1 auto relic, 1 autograph, 1 multi-relic card, 1 patch, Prime relic, and 10 rookie cards total. Got a hit there. Looks like another hit there. Yeah, I usually I start right on time. So once I start writing, you guys, I didn't think you guys were talking about me at first, and then I looked down and it said, start the cast. I don't know how it stopped. I must have stopped it by mistake. Another hit there. All right. Start left to right. Let's go. Little Zach Ertz, Crabtree, Matthews, Julio Thomas. We got Prime Timers, Robert Griffin III. We got Jeremy Hill rookie. Flip the pack. We got Dominic Sue, Gronkowski. And we got Glennon, Sanders, Prime Timers, Kiko Alonso. Behind him, Bishop Shanky rookie, EJ Manuel, Forte, Tony Romo. Then we got Patrick Peterson, followed by Prime Timers, Kaepernick. And then McKinnon rookie. For our first hit, we got Cam Newton and Keenan Allen. First hit is our Prime 5 Quad Relic Auto. Going to Zach Mettenberg, Tennessee Titans. Get some big numbers. No number on this one. Got 2-color patch though. Zach Mettenberg rookie. Bam. That's our first hit. Alright, next up, Michael Sam rookie. We got Jimmy Graham, Willis, Griffin III. And our prime rookies going to Tom Savage of the Texans. We got Julio Thomas, gold. And Martavius Bryant rookie. Alright, first up, Troy Polamalu, TJ Hilton, Demarius Moore. Our next card, Ravens, Torrey Smith. What's on the other side? It is just a variation. Oh man, nice card. Hopefully it's low numbered. Cover that guy up. We're gonna have to auction him off. First up, Calvin Johnson, CJ Mosley, Joe Flacco. We got Taha Boyd, number to 250. 28 out of 250 for the Jets. Taha Boyd. Bam. Then we got Earl Thomas. Then, what do we have here? Robert Woods, Buffalo Bills. We got anything. Insert. Next hit is Tom Savage. No number. 2-color patch though. Tom Savage rookie. Going to Texans. Damn. Alright. Brandon Cooks rookie. Bowman. J.J. Watt. Eric Berry. And we got Prime Timers. Bam. Prime Timers. Demarius Thomas. I haven't seen that redemption card before. That is strange. All right, Jenkins rookie. Then we got Edelman, Jackson. Then we got Bernard, Thomas, Prime Timers, Patterson, and Mike Evans. Then our first auto is Dante Moncrief. Congratulations. I pulled 2 of his autos last night. Dante Moncrief. This is rookie. Yeah, that's weird front. Rookie variation, Dante Moncrief. Anybody else choppy? Looks good on my end. Dante Moncrief. That's just a weird redemption card. The back looks normal. Front, they just ran out of ink or something. Congratulations to the Colts. I'm going to stand this guy up. Doesn't say there's a number on there. Alright, then we got Kelvin Benjamin, Prime Rookies. And we will have to possibly auction this one off. We got Quad Relics. I pulled this one before. Blake Bortles, Teddy Bridgewater, Andrew Luck, Russell Wilson. Last one was number 25. This is also number 1 out of 25. I'm going to pull up the list and show you guys. We'll save that to the end though. But if someone owns more than half, or half, and nobody else owns the other half, it's their card. That's how I do it. That is a nice card for somebody. You might already know it's yours, but we're going to leave that there for the whole break. And I do all my randoms at the end, after all 5 boxes. Alright, not a bad start. Not a bad start at all. Alright, box 2. Let's do some Bowman Chrome. Yeah, I could check now to see whose that is, but someone could own the whole thing already. I don't know. Alright, we got 18 packs at Bowman Chrome 2014, plus some cardboard. Let's get breaking. Ah, hope that's an auto. That is number to 10, I believe. Got some blue there. Nice, nice. Is that gold? Oh, this is a nice box. We got some gold there. So we got a card number to 50. Card number to, I believe it's 10. Alright, I'll do my best for Cowboys. Hopefully that gold or that other refractor, checkerboard refractor, I'll call it that. Is that more blue? Oh, we got 2 blues. This is a nice box already. Better than the Bowman personal box I just broke for myself. Yeah, I hope the auto is one of those colors. I hope it's the checkerboard one. Oh, it's a nice die cut there. Alright, so either way, we got at least 1 autograph. It's a hot box, we'll get 2 autos. Plus we'll get the 1 top shelf rookie insert, 1 die cut future to franchise insert, 2 Bowman Best die cut inserts, plus 1 Pulsar refractor, and a few other refractors. All right, first up, Aberderis rookie, Williams rookie, Marshall, Barr rookie, Evans rookie. That Barr rookie looks like a refractor. Evans rookie. And our first Bowman Best die cut is Carlos Hyde of the 49ers. Not numbered. Then we got Patterson, Nick Foles, Thomas rookie, Grimble rookie, Pierce, Stills, Coleman rookie, and Johnny Manziel pulling out the future of the franchise die cuts. Not numbered. Pierre Garcon and Antonio Brown. All right, let's keep on keeping on with a little Dernard rookie, Robinson rookie, CJ Spiller, and our Pulsar is next after CJ Spiller. It is one and only Cam Newton. What do we got on there? All right, just some dust. Cam Newton getting the Pulsar, number to 271. That is 74 out of 271. Cam Newton. 74 out of 271. There you go. Congrats to Carolina. Bam. Next Bowman's coming up. But first, Aaron Koval rookie. Bowman Best. It's going to Derek Carr of the Oakland Raiders. Bowman Best die cut. Not numbered. Top shelf's coming up too. Then we got Frank Gore, Jake Locker, Neal rookie. And our top shelf is Jeremy Hill of the Bengals. Top shelf. No number on that one. Keep on keeping on with a little Jordan Forte, Bryant rookie, Janis rookie, Demarius Thomas, and E.J. Manuel. All right, rest of our refractors are in here. Let's get it. I bet we're going to have a nice... That's not the auto. All right. Going to have a nice low-numbered auto, I'm hoping. Jason Verrett rookie, Manziel rookie, Peterson, Matthew, Jerrigan rookie, Kuahangio rookie, Nelson, Shorts, Reed, and Murray rookies. Then we got Jason Pierre-Paul. Our next refractor is Aaron Donald. It's a beast. Aaron Donald rookie. Number 158 out of 199. Going to the Rams. This guy's a beast. The St. Louis Rams of Los Angeles. The gold is right there. All right. Norwood rookie. Richard Rodgers rookie. Roethlisberger. Rudolph. Flip the pack. We got Landry rookie. Robinson rookie. Wilson. And Robbie rookie. Is our gold the auto? It is. Our gold is the auto. We got an auto number to 50. All right. First up, though, we got Cameron, Matthews, Archer rookie, Ely rookie, and Floyd. Our next blue is same team. Patrick Peterson of the Cardinals. Meaning same as Michael Floyd that I just pulled before that. Also number to 199. 65 out of 199. Patrick Peterson of the Cardinals. Hit for the Cardinals. All right. Still got our gold plus our checkerboard. All right. Cody Hoffman rookie. Jenkins rookie. Jackson, Ellington, Sammy Watkins rookie. Saunders rookie, and Vincent Jackson. Let's go one at a time. First up, Teddy Bridgewater rookie. We got two autos, a 50 and a 10. I'll cover that up. I'll do the 50 first. I think it's a 10. Don't quote me on that. T.Y. Hilton, Hopkins. First up, Devon Street. And our gold auto is going to the Lions. The Lions Den. Eric Ebron. 21 out of 50. The wrong color blue. So close. Detroit to Dallas. 21 out of 50. Eric Ebron. Nice hit. This is definitely a hot box, that's for sure. Before our next auto, it is number to 10, Van Noy. Congratulations. 2, the Cardinals. Again, Logan Thomas. eBay 101, number 10 out of 10. Checkerboard, number to 10. Sweet card. Congratulations, Cardinals. Nice hit. It's funny, I think I pulled a Logan Thomas out of the personal breaks I was performing while I was making you guys wait. Nice hits though. Logan Thomas, number to 10. Eric Ebron, number to 50. We had Cam Newton, Peterson, and Donald for the rest of our refractors. Alright, great break so far. We still got our 1 of 25 to auction off at the end. Alright, let's move on to Strata. Strata. 2014 Top Strata. Gives us 18 packs. So we'll do 3 stacks. And Strata offers us 1 clear-cut auto. Unless it is a hot box. I pulled 2 out of here once before. But usually 2 plus an additional auto. And we'll have our 4 die cuts plus 6 gold parallels and 1 relic card. For a total of 108 cards. Let's get some Dallas going on here. Stack 1. I don't know often if I pull a lot of Dallas either way. But it always comes around, goes around. It's crazy. Some breaks you hit one team like 5 times as many cards as another team. Alright, 2 more packs. Looks like we got a redemption card in the middle stack. Yeah, that's probably our clear-cut auto because I don't see it. Our clear-cut auto is a redemption. Alright. We'll go left, right, middle. Oh, perfect. There's our auto. Nice low number, too. That's our first auto right there. We'll do it after this stack. Alright, first up, though, we got DeMarco Murray, Reed, Jordan, Lewis Nix rookie, Morris rookie, Mettenberg rookie. Flip the pack, we got Pierre Garcon, McCoy. First gold is Michael Floyd. Then we got Huron rookie, Christian rookie, Nicholas rookie. Then we got Joe Flacco, Calvin Johnson, Colston, Seastrunk rookie, Miller rookie, Murphy rookie, Monte Ball, and Jeffrey. Oh yeah, let's do the auto last. Next up, we got Benjamin rookie, Mosley rookie. Then we got Gronkowski, Griffin III, our next gold. Zach Mettenberg rookie, Buchanan rookie. Then we got Josie rookie, Thomas rookie. We got Palomalu, Varon, Davis. First die cut, Matt Forte of the Bears. Then we got Crowell rookie and Shanky rookie. Next up, Detroit Lions, Jacques Bell. In our auto. Right uniform, not the right player. Still good. Anthony Barr, the Vikings. Numbered 18 out of 50. Anthony Barr, 18 out of 50. Nice hit for the Vikings. All right, we're going to the right now. Clear cut auto right there at the bottom. It's a redemption though. Luke Kuechel, Crabtree, Manning, AJ McCarron rookie, Talafaro rookie, Richard Rodgers rookie. Then we got Stafford, Roethlisberger, Huff, Gold rookie, Jordan Matthews rookie, Robbie rookie, Michael Sam rookie. Then we got Frank Gore, Pierre Paul, Dez Bryant, Greg Robinson rookie, Sammy Watkins rookie, and Jason Verrett rookie. Followed by Jamal Charles and Adrian Foster. Next up, die cut, Taha Boyd of the Jets. Alright, that is our relic card next. First up though, Van Noy rookie, Gilbert rookie, Shaw rookie, Green, Ridley, Wes Welker, Ridley again, Ridley Gold, Anthony Barr rookie, Lumen rookie, and Cameron. Before our hit, we got Jake Locker. And our relic card is Frank Gore for the 49ers. Didn't give us a number on there. Frank Gore for the 49ers. All right. Bottom of the pack, Terrence West is stuck to somebody. Come on. Terrence West and Jeremy Hill rookies. All right, let's keep on keeping on with a little Patrick Willis, Reggie Wayne, and our next die cut, Jake Locker of the Titans. Then Marquise Lee rookie, Trey Mason rookie, Johnny Manziel rookie. Then we got Phillip Rivers, Wallace, Matthews, and our next gold is going to Coney Ely, Carolina Panthers, gold rookie. Then I've got a Brown rookie, Huff rookie. Then we got Julio Jones, Le'Veon Bell. And our next die cut is Nick Foles of the Eagles. Still got our clear cut auto coming up. First though, we got Desire rookie, Teddy Bridgewater rookie, Sims rookie. Then we got Marshall, Cobb, Nelson, Paul Richardson, McKinnon rookie, Khalil Mack rookie. Then we got C.J. Spiller, Harvin, Johnson. Next gold is Doug Martin of Tampa Bay. We got Norwood rookie and OBJ rookie. All right, first, Ryan Tannehill, followed by Tony Romo. And our clear cut auto is Martavius Bryant, clear cut auto relic. And that is going to, should be the Steelers, right? The Steelers, Pittsburgh Steelers. Congratulations, Martavius Bryant, clear cut auto. Bam. Very nice. All right. Bottom of the stack, we got Jerrigan rookie, Hyde rookie, and Storm Johnson. Storm Johnson. Doesn't say there's a number on that clear cut auto. All right. Another good box though. Auto number to 50. Man, all of our autos are numbered low. All right, let's do Panini Hot Rookies. This is where I was once I realized nobody was watching. All right, we got 4 packs. We got our commons. We got our rookies. We got our auto relic and inserts and our 3 additional autos. And nothing else. All right, if you guys are waiting for Panini, the 6-box break, that is next. Sorry, I'm running a little behind because I was messing around. All right, let's get some color. Excuse me, some color in here. Got some blue and some gold. Not bad, not a bad start. First up is Kid Reporter. Expired. Nobody wants it. Alright, Nate Washington, Smith. Then we got Bowman 100, Stills, Pitta, Bolden, Burfict 100. Then we got Mingo, Walker, Smith, Cam Newton 100, Tony Romo, Sproles, Rudolph, Solder, playing in the snow 100, Nick Foles, Jay Cutler, Adrian Peterson, Prater 100, and Jason Witten. Let's keep that gold covered. The gold zone. Fred Jackson, Hayden 100, David, Wayne 100, Douglas, Davis 100, Fitzgerald 100, Toliolo, and Jordy Nelson 100. Before the gold, we got Cecil Shorts. The gold, at least we got something for Dallas. Terrence Williams, 36 out of 50. Oh, getting something for Dallas. Let's keep it going. All right, below him, the Browns getting Jordan Cameron, numbered 60 out of 79. Going the Browns. There's the number, 60 out of 79. All right, let's move on. Mix these up. Wrong way. All right, these are our rookies. 10 rookie cards. Got some numbers on here. Possibly not. 10 rookies, one by one. OBJ. OBJ rookie. Then we got, for the Cardinals, Logan Thomas. For the Eagles, we got Ed Reynolds. Green Bay, Jeff Janis. Green Bay had 3 of them last night. Last night they were all numbered. I had a hot pack with the rookie pack, all numbered. Not tonight though. Taylor Lumen, Tennessee Titans. Next rookie is going to the Saints, Brandon Cooks. Next, Michael Campanaro for the Ravens. He's talking to headquarters. The Lions getting Kyle Van Noy. Hot rookies. We got Jace Amaro for the Jets. Looks like they're numbered lists. And Charles Sims for the Bucks. Hot rookie. No numbers there. All right. Next up is our inserts. Plus our auto relic. First up, Atlanta Falcons, brothers in arms. No number. Detroit Lions, Barry Sanders. Going way back. 49ers, some brothers in arms. Brothers in arms, not numbered. Peyton Manning, franchise, not numbered. The Buffalo Bills is getting the auto relic. Chris Hogan. Hogan's Heroes. Chris Hogan, Buffalo Bills. Did I miss one number to 99? I might have. Could be off tonight. I'm gonna get this guy suited up. Bam. I don't know if you're talking to me. No. Oh yeah, Van Noy. Excuse me. Nice catch. Van Noy, number 10 out of 99. How did I miss that? What would I do without you guys? Detroit Lions. All right. Very good. Double check. Nada. These are all blue, not numbered. Thank you very much. All right, autos. Let's go no rewards. We want no rewards. All right, no rewards, that's good. All right, 3 autos. Let's get some numbers on here. First up, the Jets. Getting Shaq Evans. Not numbered. Shaq Evans rookie. Auto. Next up, we got a hot rookie auto. It is Sefron Jenkins of Tampa Bay. Hot rookies, number 35 out of 99. Nice hit for Tampa Bay. Man. Our 4th auto is our inscriptions auto. Going the Rams. Janoris Jenkins. Janoris Jenkins of the Rams. Getting a hit. All right. Ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. All right. Next up, Panini Select. And we still got this guy. Don't forget about him. All right, Panini Select. 1 box. Inside, 2 boxes. 2 minis. 1, 2. Nothing else. Do 1 box at a time. We'll guarantee 2 autographs. Plus, there's 2 additional autographs or relic cards. Each box has 5 packs. We'll do 1 box at a time. I'll put that over there. What am I doing? What am I doing? All right, let's get some Dallas. Let's feel some Dallas. Got a hit there. And a hit there. All right. 2 hits. All right, first up, Geno Smith, Russell Wilson, Jimmy Graham. Seeing double Jimmy Grahams. Tom Brady, AJ Green, Eli Manning, and Coney Ealy for the Panthers rookie. That is numbered to 199. 19 out of 199. Ealy. Refractor rookie for Carolina Panthers. All right, next up we got Rob Gronkowski, Edelman, Dan Marino. Then our next rookie is going to the Buccaneers, Solomon Patton. Next, refractor, red, white, and blue, D Ford of the Chiefs. D Ford, and that is, yeah, numbered to 50. 15 out of 50, D Ford, rookie for the Chiefs. Nice hit for the Chiefs with some red, white, and blue. Let's save those low numbers for the autos and the relics. All right, finish it off. Steve Johnson and Calvin Johnson. Back-to-back Johnson & Johnsons. All right. Nice card coming up. First, Demaryius Thomas. DeMarco Murray. Auto relic. Let's go on the Bengals. Little A.J. McCarron. Whoever probably wants to see the number. Little pink. Pink, they say, for number 35. 17 out of 35. Nice hit for the Bengals. Boom. Boom is right. Auto relic. A.J. McCarron rookie. Very nice rookie hit. All right. What do we got here? 180. Let me open up another top loader. Let's use my last one. That one. And this one. Alright, let's keep on keeping on. With some Ben Tate, Matthew Stafford, Phillip Rivers. Before our next hit, we got Saunders. Alright, next hit is just a relic. But it is a star. Little Eli Manning. That is orange. Let's see a low number on there for Eli. 23 out of 50. Nice hit. Eli Manning relic. Boom. Nice card. Alright, let's hope for 2 more autos in the next box. We'll get at least 1 more. Alright. Let's get Eli suited up. Alright, finish the box up. We got Doug Martin and Kaepernick. Alright, box 2. Box 1, we had a 35 auto relic and a relic numbered to 50. Let's see if we can beat that in here. No rewards. Let's make it a night without rewards. Ain't cute. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. What do we got there? Alright. Got 1 hit there. Let's get another hit. Yes, no rewards. Alright. Loving it. Alright, let's go. First up, we got Torrey Smith, Dez Bryant. Our next rookie refractor, Clinton Dix. That is number to 99. 9 out of 99 for Green Bay. Green Bay, Clinton Dix. Bam. Alright, what is that? That is not an auto. Alright. Victor Cruz, Matthews, Brett Favre, Cameron. The next rookie is Perry. Not numbered. Zach Stacy, Golden Tate, McCoy. Then we got Matt Hazel, rookie. And our next refractor, Jimmy Graham, pulling out a 9 out of 199. They're giving us all the 9s. 9 out of 99, 9 out of 199. That is going to the Saints. Alright, let's keep on keeping on. Oh, I just saw 1 auto. Alright, first up, Julio Jones, Smith Sr., Jones Drew. Then we got Cam Newton. We do have 2 more autos. MVP. This looks nice. Trey Mason. Going to the Cardinals, excuse me. Going to LA Rams, St. Louis Rams of Los Angeles. And yes, it's gold. Bam, 1 out of 10. Trey Mason, pulling a 1 out of 10. Nice hit for the Rams. Let's suit this guy up. This is a nice box. Still got 1 auto to go. That was auto relic, 2-color patch on there. Trey Mason. Alright, let's keep you covered. Alright, Bernard, Gerhardt, Foster. Before, we got Devon Street. And our next auto is Michael Campanaro for the Ravens. And that is, look at that, another 9. 9 out of 99. It did give us the 9s. 2 9 out of 99s. That is Michael Campanaro. Suit you up. And that is our last auto. And then we got Matt Ryan and Brandon Marshall. Alright. I didn't finish suiting him up. Alright guys, if you're leaving now, I appreciate it, and I'm really sorry for the delay. I totally screwed myself there. Wasted a bunch of product on myself that I did not want to. Alright, we got our teams here. I'm going to look right now who has these teams, because someone might already have these. That's number 16. Someone is getting this card. Alright, let's download it. I didn't download yet. Alright. And next up, if you're waiting, we got our hot rookies. We got our case coming up, hot rookies. Half a case. That's what's coming up next. We're breaking half of that. Alright, so we got the Colts, Jacksonville, Vikings, and Seattle. One guy got Seattle. Vikings. One person has the Vikings. Except to the Colts. The Colts. One person has the Colts. And I'm sure we're randoming this off. Where's Jacksonville? Right here. Alright guys, 4 people. 4 different people got this card. We're going to random it off. It's a nice card. It's actually the second one I pulled, number to 25. It's been a while. I think one of my first breaks I pulled the same card. Alright. We got Jaguars. We got the Colts. We got the Vikings. And we got the Seahawks. Alright guys, good luck. I'm going to random it off 5 times. Make sure you guys can see me here. Let me flip back. Alright, you guys can see. I didn't pull any Cowboys anywhere. They're bound to come up, but yeah, I didn't pull any Cowboys. Nothing good. Actually, I have something from a long time ago. I think I have a, what would I have? Des Bryant or something, number to 50, something like that, out of Bowman. All right, let me do this first. Okay, we got 5 teams. We got the Jaguars, the Colts, the Vikings, the Seahawks, all for this card. Ran it 5 times. The last one on top gets it. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, good luck, everybody. Here it is. 5. It's going to Vikings. Getting your Teddy Bridgewater. Teddy Bridgewater going to the Vikings. With some Jake Bortles, little Andrew Luck, and some Wilson. Congratulations, Vikings. I'm sure they paid a lot for the team, so they kind of deserve that. Alright, appreciate it, guys. I'll be breaking again next Saturday and Sunday. Already listed.